Let me share with you my journey toward forgiveness. I was raised by an authoritarian father and brought up under strict parental discipline. Being the second among 6 siblings, I was lashed with a leather belt with a metal buckle, not once, not twice, but many times. Simple childhood mistakes, petty quarrels with my siblings, or even sneaking away to play with neighboring children would end with welts on my body and sores on my knees from hours of kneeling with outstretched arms. Along with that, my father's words were like double-edged sword that pierced my tender heart, and I would scream in silence. The pain in my body faded quickly, but the wound in my heart lingered for years, growing into anger and resentment. My father was in many ways a good man, a good food provider, a loving father. After every punishment, my siblings and I would even receive a tight embrace. But I was never allowed to speak against the discipline, so he never truly heard my pain. Over time, this formed in me a distorted view of authority. Someone who punished my every mistake, someone I had to tease constantly, lest he become angry. I bore resentment toward my father. Yes, I loved him. I respected him. I admired him. I mourned his passing at the age of 47. But deep within my subconscious remained a festering wound that affected my self-esteem and my intimate relationships. Later in life, I entered a love affair that ended in a shattered marriage because it did not begin on the right foundation, and I carried unresolved baggage in my heart. The burden became even heavier. I found myself a single mother, broken-hearted, bitter, insecure, hurt, and angry all at once. Then in 2007, I joined a 3-day retreat in a local church. There, the Holy Spirit circumcised my heart and exposed the 2 people who had hurt me the most, my father and my husband. At that moment, I felt compelled to forgive. I cried out to God as though all the mental anguish